Systems do the work. I'm Greg Roweth, the systems coach, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the new tools that we've been able to build using AI and embed them in our website. These tools talk to our CRM and give us updates when people use them, all connected through. So we've got on the tools tab, we have our cost of chaos calculator. We have our owner time audit. We have the employee replacement calculator. We have a new one very recently, just as of Monday, a fuel surcharge calculator. And then we have our simple site finance snapshot. Now that there is an amazing tool. It will give you a quick snapshot and tell you how Simple Site works, which is an app we're working on. And we have it with a few clients right now. Instead of getting Claude Cowork or Copilot Cowork, we build out the app that talks to your finance system, your POS system, and your employee HR system like Deputy, and any other system you need it to talk to. We get it to talk to that, and then it sends you a report every Monday morning, every Friday afternoon, once a month, once a quarter, and then once a financial year. Really good language. It'd be really cool to show you through that one, but let's talk about some of these other tools. So let's go over to the fuel surcharge calculator because it's very relevant right now. So we can choose professional services. We can choose a monthly. We can change how much income we make per month. So say we make this, that means our cost of goods should be somewhere around here, right? The average transaction line is here. We put that in there. Supplier increase costs. So we're expecting the suppliers to increase by at least 2.5%. Now, you might have a fleet of vehicles because you are a professional, or say you're in the trades industry. So we're in trades, we have fleet. So now it adds in a fleet calculator as well. We run diesel. We will spend around $200 a week, and we're going to add the fuel surcharge there. We have 6 vehicles. And you can see we can calculate all that up, and it's going to give us what we should move our surcharge to, and tell us how much we need to spend and move our surcharge up. So if we add a surcharge on for every $10, it'll tell us this is how much it's going to do. So we're doing it at 2.5%. Right, to cover our costs, we'll make some money back in the bank to cover all the expenses that are coming. Now, this is just a crude calculator, but it's really good to help you put a surcharge straight onto the business without having you to understand full price modeling. Might look at the owner time audit. So we can look at how many hours per week are you currently doing? I'm doing 50. What's my annual revenue? Okay. How many team members do I have? How many interruptions do I get? I get 10 hours of interruptions. Do I solve all the problems? Yes, I solve all the problems. Right. We can really come down and say how much is it costing? 25 hours of firefighting, below your average pay grade, you're getting paid 15 hours per week. You spend most of your time fixing problems. You got too much time that you need to recoup. And this is what it's costing you. You're trapped, right? At your hourly rate. This is what it's going to cost you over 5 years if nothing changes. So a nice little calculator there to help to see if you need systems. So today, using AI, we've been able to make a brand new website, build a bunch of tools that are useful for our customers and our prospects to use. We can keep building tools and keep building extra elements to support businesses through what we're doing. And you can also have this on your website or this in your business, or build a tool specifically that you need to help take time out of team members today. So if you want to build something like this, please reach out. Happy to help you. That's my system. See you in the next one.